Hello, Ankit back here with another video. So finally, I bought my new iPhone 10. So I'm gonna unbox it. I bought this iPhone in 98,000 rupees. I get 5,000 cashback in SBI debit card. So technically, I got this iPhone around 93,000 rupees. By the way, I buy this iPhone from Reliance Digital, not sponsored. So let's unbox this. So I'm gonna restore my phone and then I'll be back. So I'm gonna set my Face ID. Finally, I done it. Okay. Control center, notification. One more thing, I bought iPhone back case from Croma. I'm gonna show you right now. This one is tough cool one. It is a transparent soft case. It also has some skin. So let me put on my iPhone. So this case is transparent case. It's so good. It's around 900 rupees. You can see that. It's also shock proof. It has also had some skin, but I didn't add it right now. If I need, I'm gonna add it. So please like, comment, share and subscribe. Peace. I bought this